What's the meaning of cockpit? Cockpit. Cockpit.
Cockpit. Cockpit. A cockpit is the area in an aircraft, typically located at the front of the fuselage, where the pilot and other flight crew members sit during a flight. It contains the controls, instruments, and displays necessary to operate the plane. The cockpit is an essential part of any aircraft as it allows pilots to control the plane's direction, altitude, speed, and other important functions. Without the cockpit, flying an aircraft would be nearly impossible, and the safety of passengers, crew, and the plane itself would be compromised.